At the end of the hackathon, each team is eligible to win one of three awards: a Judge's Choice Award, a Viewer's Choice Award, and an HPC in the City Impact Award. I want you to note that there are no numbers in front of these awards. This is because one is not more significant than the other. In fact, the prize you can win is exactly the same for all three awards. It is important to note, though, that you cannot win all of the awards. We don't want to create a situation where one team is running away with all the prizes and everyone else is disappointed. After all, this is supposed to be a fun event as well as a competitive one. So now let me talk you a little bit through the different awards and how they actually work. The first one is the Judge's Choice. We have assembled a team of judges and each one can give you a maximum of 100 points per team. They will assess your project based on 6 criteria. The first criterion is the creativity of execution, or the wow effect. So what the judges will look at there is how creative is the execution of your project. Did you come up with new use cases, big opportunities, or surprises? So basically everything that makes them go, wow, this is a really cool project, this is really something new. For this criterion, you can win up to 20 points. The second criterion is the UX, or the polish. So here the judges will look at the design and the user experience of the project that you created. They will try to figure out, is it easy to understand and use, and did you put thought into the user experience? Here you can earn up to 10 points towards your final score. The third criterion is the technical complexity of your project. So here the judges will look at how technically impressive was your hack, was the problem that you tackled difficult, and basically, as with the first criterion, does it make you go wow, but not in terms of the idea that you had, but in terms of the technical complexity, so how hard it actually was to achieve what you achieved. And here again, you can earn up to 10 points towards the final score. So this hackathon is not an individual event. It is a team-based event. You're working together with people, you're working together with your team members, you're working together with your mentors. So what the judges will also look at for their assessment of your team is how well you collaborated with each other. And that it is very important should show you that this is worth 20 points towards your final score. The fifth criterion is your presentation. As you already know, there will be a final presentation at the end of the event where your team will get to present whatever you have created during the hackathon. So for this criterion, the judges will look at, did you present a functioning solution? Did you stay within the time limit of your presentation, which is very important and which Jamie will remind you of multiple times during the event? And also, did you manage to communicate your project and its value very well? For this criterion, you will also be able to get up to 20 points towards your final score. And the final criterion is very much straightforward, and that is, well, you set yourself a challenge, right? You said, we wanted to do this project. This is what we wanted to do. So the judges will look at the end. Did you actually achieve what you wanted to achieve? Did you achieve your goals? And here again, you can earn up to 20 points towards your final score. Now to the second award, which is the Viewer's Choice Award. This one is very much straightforward. At the end of the hackathon, there will be a presentation session, as I've said before. During that session, you will not only present your project to us and to the other teams and the mentors, but also to other people that might want to watch the stream, like for example, your friends, your family, other community members, our sponsors, or general conference participants. During the session, we will share a link to a form where anyone can vote for their favorite team. And at the end, we will just count the votes and the team with the most votes wins. Easy, right? And then for the supercomputing hackathon, we also have one special HPC in the City Impact Award. As you might have seen in all the briefs and the discussions that we have had for this hackathon, it is under the banner of HPC in the City St. Louis. So we will also give out an award to the team that creates something that is most valuable to the city of St. Louis and the people that live there. So when you're planning your projects and when you are thinking about, okay, so what are we going to do for this hackathon, you might also want to keep this aspect in mind a little bit. And before I end this presentation, I wanted to let you into a little secret also. This is the 8th hackathon that we have done over the past 4 years. And most of the people that you see here that are staff or mentors have been with us either from the beginning or for a very long time. So if you want a good chance at winning, I would suggest that you listen to them, in particular your mentor. Because these people have seen stuff and they know things, right? So just saying. With that being said, good luck to all the teams, good luck to every one of you, and don't forget to also have a little bit of fun.